Hey, don't group up.
Go, Brody, go in that door.
Crossing, 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 crossing. Bang. Hey, get out here, get out here, get out here. Hey, I got one other side of this wall. They're pushing UPS.
Oh shoot, I am hit. I am hit. Oh, I am hit.
You go under.
You got me. Oh, you got me, but he got you.
Hey, other side of this wall. Hey guys, they're on the other side of that wall. Careful, watch your left. You alright, bro? Bro, keep your head in. Got one. There's still one over there. He's over here. Watch your head. I'm taking rounds. I think there's still one pretty close.
through here because I can see through here.
Yeah, no, there's a walkway and then there's another wall. He's on that other side of the wall.
Right here next to poking. I see 3 dudes over there.
Yeah, I got a guy right here, 20 feet from me. He's playing low. This guy's a grade A camper.
Got him. I got one of them.
Careful, watch the left. Hey. Hey, opposite of you. He was there. I never saw him left.
Okay.
I don't know. Hey, buddy. Oh, this is craziness going on.
There's 2 in that window, 2.
Hey, buddy, watch your back. I'm same team, bro. Where's our bomb?
I don't know.
Someone said it's outside.
I saw a guy running with it.
Careful, they were pushing this left hard. Push up, y'all.
I think I hit the wrong person on accident.
It happens. Just trying to shoot friendlies.
Why the close for?
What do you mean?
The place right here.
They keep like the tape in there in case you need to switch teams for people. Good job. Hey, do you have the bomb?
Grab that bomb and put it on the tank.
Yeah, dude. Come on. Get the bomb.
Ready? All of you, go. Press. Go, go, go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come
You
on.
gotta go right now. Hurry up.
Left that joint.
Hey, watch it. Over here. Get out of the way, ref, get out of the way. It's on. Hold position. It's on. Let's go. Yeah, it's on there. You just threw it in it. Oh.
You gotta plant it.
Cover me.
Who has it?
There you go.
Hey, I got one in the white building. All right, now we just need to defend.
Hey, watch that side.
Watch bridge.
Hey, bombs planted. Secure the bridge.
Hey, watch our left flank. Do not let them flank us. That's good. They're popping up in these windows straight ahead. At least they were.
Hey, focus on the west side. You got enough people here. Yeah,
Yep.
I planted it.
Alright, I'm gonna hop in the container.
All right.
Don't shoot, that's ours. I don't see him.
Hey, behind garage! Behind garage! Left the garage!
Sean.
Hey, he's your 12 o'clock! Is he active? See this? I'm reloading. Sean's pushing us.
Did you get it?
No.
Hey,
He's hit.
He is?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, watch yourself.
Yes, sir! Good job, y'all.
Where's the running?
It's Thomas planted, just defend.
Police station window. Grab it to your left. Grab it to your left.
I don't know how he's not hit. Good job, guys.